Woo-hoo-hoo. So my channel was just featured on the 24-hour segment called Channel on the Rise on the trending tab on YouTube. Now, if you want my thoughts about what happened, numbers, subscribers, all that good stuff, stay tuned. I'm gonna break it down for you in this video. Let's go. So on Thursday of this past week, which was March 5th, 2020, I got an email from YouTube stating, hey, can you keep a secret? Actually, I'll put a little bit of it right here. I can let everybody know now, but back then it said, can you keep a secret? We're gonna feature you on the Channel on the Rise section on our trending tab within the next 24 hours, okay? This is big for you and we want you to be excited, but don't tell anyone. So I didn't. I mean, I came home and I told my immediate family, but I figured there'd be no harm in that. So what happened the very next day, I woke up, nothing. Then around 9 o'clock a.m., I got another email and this is what happened. I started noticing a huge spike. Now, when I say huge, I mean pretty big. So roughly right now with the growth we've had over the past month, the channel's averaging roughly around 700 views per hour. Now, what happened after that, once they put me on the trending tab, and I'll show you a couple clips here of how it looks and the interface and all that. Pretty cool to see it there. We started getting around 2,800 views to almost 3,000 to 3,100 views an hour, which is pretty exciting stuff. Now, the subscribers didn't just come trickling in. Now, that may be surprising because you're getting so many views. But the reason for that, well, I think it took people a little bit of time to find it, to see what was going on. But then a really funny thing happened. The subscribers started to come in and I gained roughly about 2,000 subscribers within the 24-hour period that we were averaging right around 3,000 views per hour. But what I noticed is that nobody was really engaging. Now, conversely, or coincidentally, whatever the right word is at this point, if I get a big spike on some of my other videos, like this shot behind me did pretty well. And thank you so much for that. The conversations and the interactivity is almost overwhelming, okay? You guys are so kind and so wonderful and I'm so appreciative, and I try to answer every single one of you back. But if you're not in the DIY space, if you're not essentially my audience, you just check it out, you watch, and that's it. So, guess what happened after that? Nothing. Not a thing. The subscribers came and then they went. So within 24 hours after I was featured, so now this is 48 hours after they first started featuring me, I gained another 1,000 subscribers. So we're talking 3,000 subs within about a 48-hour period. But then I started noticing people just trickling away. It's almost like people saw it, subscribed, checked it out at a later date or a later time, and then said, nah, I'm not really into the DIY space. I like family vlogs, or I like underwater basket weaving. But this gave me an idea to really tell you guys something, and it's something I really want to express, and that's this. Thank you. Thank you to you guys, my genuine audience. Yes, I gained about 3,000 subscribers, give or take, in the past 24 to 48 hours with this promotion that I was very honored to be a part of. And YouTube, thank you so much as well. But honestly, I have to say that my genuine audience is amazing and is wonderful. And you guys absolutely are fantastic. And I hope the interactivity that we've had thus far continues and continues to fester in a good way. Because quite frankly, I'm not sure if I could do this anymore without you, really. I mean that wholeheartedly. In the beginning, I started this channel, very few comments, very few views, as to be expected. But we kept grinding, we kept making things, and we kept putting content out there that I thought the world wanted to see. And then I built this shop. And this shop spiked a lot of interest in a lot of people. And again, I'm so thankful for that. But the thing I want to express is that my audience is my own. And I honestly feel like I have connected with so many of you in that comment section, even though I don't know the vast majority of you. So again, I just wanted to say thank you, and I want to give my dedication to this audience and this channel, and to let you know that I'm going to continue to do this for as long as I possibly can. it's just one of those things that's pretty crazy, the time we live in. I never thought I would be on the verge of turning 40 years old this year and have a YouTube channel where I made things out of wood. This is just insane, and I can't thank you enough, guys. So without further ado, I have a shop update coming up, and that's gonna be launched in a couple of days. So I do want you to stay tuned for that. If you happen to find this video and you don't know about anything that we do here, check us out, give us a subscription. And also, if you are one of the Glimpse Inside faithful, thank you so much. Your patronage and your viewership has been amazing to us, and I honestly can't thank you enough. So, in closing, what did I learn from this experience? Well, it was exciting, and it was really kind of nerve-wracking too, to see the numbers really increase. But was it essential to have me grow? I don't think so. And that's not a knock on YouTube. I very much appreciate the fact that you guys, you know, I'm talking to YouTube here, Susan in the gang, right? That you guys actually featured me, and it was an honor. But it's not essential to grow. What's essential is connecting with you. And I thank each and every one of you as well. All right, that's it. My name's Chris. This has been a glimpse inside the process on being the creator on the rise from YouTube, and its ups and downs and pros and cons of my thoughts. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button for me. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on that next project as well. Y'all have a wonderful day.